Take a ride in the 2026 Subaru BRZ. The Subaru BRZ comes with agile handling, precise steering action, and powerful brakes, all contributing to a thrilling driving performance with a great fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, LED headlights, remote trunk release. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.